Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to understand the different states or status you will see your deployment at. You have this prepared, pre-deploy, and then pre-active state. These are states which will happen when you are uploading the content to either you're uploading it to the from your local desktop to the WebLogic server, or you are uploading it directly from within the WebLogic server to this one, or you have not clicked on activate changes. So some of these changes like initializing or deployment initializing or update initializing is something which you will see as part of these predetermined stages, which is just before the new state. New state is when you actually have a newly created deployment and it is not activated, or your managed servers are not started and it's waiting for the managed servers to be started, because the deployments will be done as a targeted to a managed server, and managed server should be started for your deployment to go to the next state. Which the next state it would go is the admin state. Admin state is the next state it would go to, where you can start doing administrative tasks like redeployment or undeployment once it is in the admin state. The next one is the active state. Active state is when your application is ready to serve the request to the customer. The end users will be able to access your application. So that is basically active state. So what we are trying to achieve is that you need to get to the active state. Fail state comes in when you actually have some issues with your application, where you have to debug the situation by checking the logs and trying to understand the errors and the issue which was encountered during the deployment process. And these are the status which is preparation for your deployment or updates. Now, if you see in a real-time logs, you will notice these keywords over here. First, it will start with state new, state prepared, and then state admin, and then state active. Either it goes to active state or it will go to state failed. So these are some of the things which you will see on the logs. We will also analyze the logs and we will try to find all these errors, all these messages, not errors, sorry, all these messages in your log file. All right. Thank you again for your time. I will see you on the next video.